up, YouTube? Mark Shoemate here. We are at Rusi today. I'm having my motorcycle worked on. We are headed to Mandawi and Cebu City today. And it is raining here in Dumaguete City. It is raining pretty good. So we are just kind of waiting around. My bike's over there. The mechanic's got all tore apart, the clutch. My clutch has been slipping. I got a lot more horsepower on there, and so it is slipping a little bit now. We are just looking. Here is the new SS250 right here. Very nice motorcycle. I drove one the other day. My friend in Lapa has one just like this, identical. I like the way it goes. It's got an oil cooler right here, line going in, line going out, which is very nice. Mine doesn't have that. Hello.
Good morning.
How you doing today? I'm just getting my motorcycle repaired over there. I thought I'd just make a video and put it on YouTube today. How much is the 250 now? Yeah.
That's 250. Gamma is 59 cash.
59
Yes,
cash?
59 cash.
Okay, 59.5. All right, thank you. 59.5 for the Rusi, which is not a bad deal. That's a cash price though, not financing. They got, I guess the 150 here. Is this the 150?
It's 200.
Oh, this is 200.
Yes, SS 200.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. How much for that one?
It's 59.
59?
Yes, sir.
Same price as that one?
SS Gamma is 59. That one is a 250 Sigma.
Yeah, that's
So
250.
it's 85.
85?
Yes, sir.
I thought that was a little cheap, 59.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I made a mistake.
Yeah, a buddy of mine just bought one over.
250 Sigma, while this is Gamma. Gamma.
Yeah. Buddy of mine just bought one of those for, I think it was like 89. Finance and everything. He bought in Cebu though. So, I think that's what he paid for it. I'm not really for sure. He told me what it was and I forgot already. Alrighty. I just thought I'd just make a video here. Have a nice day. But anyway, they're taking my clutch apart today, getting it all fixed up. Got new clutch plates. Brand new clutch plates. We're going to need them today. We got a long trip. We got about almost 5 hours to Mandawi. Motorcycle's filthy.
How many?
Yeah, the thing's been slipping a little bit here. Needs an impact. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, he's going for an impact now. Or maybe not. Going for the hammer. Yeah, it's going to be a long trip in the rain today. I was hoping to get away a little bit sooner, but we took it for a little ride this morning, and it started slipping. I said, well, we got almost about 500 to Mandawi, so I figured I'd better go ahead and replace the clutch plates today. I replaced the front bearings and the front brakes. And I also got the new SS250 mirrors I put on today. They're a little bit wider. I like them. Yeah, rain's coming down pretty good now. I'm not looking forward to this trip. But this is the main Rusi in the Philippines, in Dumaguete City. That is the SX 200 and 250s over there. They got all sorts of dirt bikes and whatnot. My wife wants one of these little scooters. Pretty neat here. The Neptune, Rusi Neptune 125s. Pretty cool looking. Already got a little rear fender there. I like that. Looks like carbon fiber, but I guess it's imitation carbon fiber. Plastic made to look like carbon. Yeah, those things are very nice. Oh wow, look. Camel pattern. I like the camouflage. That's a 110 right here. Smaller version. Little street legal motocross bike. My wife's sitting here waiting to go. So I ought to have a good clutch going over to Cebu today. I know what I did to it when I went up there to Twin Lakes the other day. It's very mountainous, and I had to clutch it because I got a big or a little sprocket in the back and a big sprocket in the front. It's geared high. It's not really for the mountain roads. It's for the highway, and I burned it up the other day. So I'm the one that burned it up. It's not made for the mountains anymore. But they got all sorts of parts here. Boy, that rain's really starting to come down now. It's a heavy mist. Rusi, Dumaguete City. Got a lot of different versions of motorcycles here. But anyway, YouTube, I just thought I'd make a quick video today before we head to Cebu. I'm gonna make several more today, if the weather permits. I'm probably gonna make one in Car and Naga City. I know I'm gonna make one in E-Mall if they'll allow me to make one in E-Mall. Most malls in Cebu, they don't like you to bring in a camera and take videos. So. But anyway, everyone have a good day, and please subscribe to my channel.